Every house has a story. The old ones, the ones with wallpaper from 1986, linoleum floors, and a dusty piano in the corner. They've seen things. Lately, those homes are starting to whisper again. Boomers are moving on, downsizing, retiring, trading nostalgia for practicality. And in their wake, a new generation is stepping in. First-time buyers, young families, people with dreams and debt and maybe just enough courage to make an offer. But be warned, these homes aren't hand-me-downs. They come with baggage, deferred maintenance, outdated wiring, sometimes ghosts. And the sellers, they're not always ready to say goodbye. Still, this is a chance, a real one, a way in. These houses weren't built to flip. They were built to last. If you can look past the popcorn ceilings, past the avocado-colored bathroom tiles, you'll find something priceless. Room to grow, a real yard, a hallway that echoes when the kids run through it. The boomer exodus isn't a market trend. It's a passing of the torch. Just make sure you know what you're inheriting. Find your home with us at lifestylevideos.com.